Here I have XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key. And after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume down, at the same time for a couple of seconds like this, and after that you will end up in the Fastboot mode. And as you can see, letters here saying Fastboot, which is the proof that we are in a Fastboot mode. So if you want to quit this mode, what you have to do is to just hold down power key for about 7 seconds, and after that your device will be forcefully restarted, or it will be forcefully turned off, and then you have to turn it back on by holding down power key once again. And yeah, as you can see, it restarting. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.